Welcome to Review Rumble. The best AirPod Box is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Apple enthusiast, offering a sleek and protective way to carry and charge your beloved AirPods, ensuring they're always ready for your next listening session, whether you're commuting, working out, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes on the go, making it a must-have for anyone who values convenience and style. Number 5. 33W USB-C PD Fast Charger with MFi Cable. Introducing our 33W USB-C PD wall charger, designed to power up your iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series devices incredibly fast. Get up to 3 times the charging speed compared to standard 5W chargers. This charger is built with high-quality, heat-resistant ABS material and is certified by ETL, FCC, CE, and RoHS for safety and reliability worldwide. It offers exhaustive protection while charging your devices. We've included a 6-foot USB-C to Lightning cable, MFi certified for optimal performance. Its preeminent copper core ensures stable data sync and rapid charging, getting your iPad Pro 12.9 inches fully charged in just 2.8 hours. The cable features automatic chip recognition, allowing direct connection to your MacBook for 480 megabits per second data transfer speeds. Enjoy flawless compatibility with your Apple devices without any warning messages. This PD fast charger is compatible with a wide range of iPhone and iPad models, as well as Android devices like Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy that support USB power delivery. It's the perfect charging solution for all your essential tech. What we like. This charger offers a blazing fast 33W output, significantly quicker than standard chargers. It comes with an MFi certified cable, ensuring seamless compatibility and safety with your Apple devices. If you're looking for a reliable and speedy way to power up your iPhone or iPad, especially when you're in a hurry, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Works great. And it's a very fast charger. Good functional with fast charging with good battery. Charges my phone. Cord length is accurate, and it's designed just like the stock Apple charger. Number 4. Aulumu A09 Geometric AirPods Pro 2 Case. Introducing a case designed for ultimate protection. Its locking mechanism ensures your device stays secure and safe from accidental drops. Experience a unique look with its new geometric design. This not only adds visual appeal but also enhances impact resistance. Discover the perfect blend of style and function. The alloy locking clasp offers a cool metallic feel, complementing the durable TPU and PC body. Carry it anywhere with ease. The new nylon strap and buckle allow you to hang it conveniently, keeping it accessible at all times. Designed to fit perfectly with your AirPods Pro, including both first and second generation models. It supports both Lightning and USB-C versions. Secure it effortlessly with the included adhesive stickers for the top cover. Don't worry, it leaves no marks upon removal. Check out the guide video for details. What we like. This case provides robust protection for your AirPods Pro with its secure locking mechanism and durable alloy clasp, preventing accidental drops. Its unique geometric design adds a touch of style while offering enhanced impact resistance. If you prioritize security and a distinctive look for your AirPods Pro, this case is an excellent option. What people say. From the outside, it immediately reminded me of the Tesla Cybertruck with its sharp lines and industrial look. The build quality is extremely solid. The lock keeps everything securely in place, which is a very smart design choice. I tested wireless charging and had zero issues. The case is first of all unique in style, not going to find another one like it on Amazon. Secondly, it does not look or feel cheap in quality. There is a very nice metal latch with a spot for the light to show from the AirPod case. A very nice adjustable strap loop that is durable and impact-resistant rubber that is not too soft or too hard. Its futuristic design, reminiscent of a Tesla Cybertruck, is undeniably cool. The all-encompassing rubber casing provides excellent protection, and the aluminum locking tab adds an extra layer of security. Installation is a breeze. Number 3. AirPods first and second gen replacement charging case. Lost or damaged your original charging case for your AirPods first or second generation? This replacement case offers the same original quality and functionality, ensuring a perfect match for your earbuds. Experience seamless automatic pairing just like your original case. Simply place your earbuds inside, and it connects automatically, making repairing effortless. Our replacement case features an upgraded smart chip for enhanced protection. It ensures your earbuds stay charged without any negative impact on their performance. With a powerful 550 mAh battery, it can charge your AirPods more than 5 times. Enjoy up to 3 hours of listening time after just a 15-minute charge. Enjoy the convenience of both wired and wireless charging. It supports Qi-compatible wireless charging mats and a lightning cable, making powering up easier than ever. Easily sync your earbuds with the built-in Bluetooth pairing button. This feature ensures a stable connection and allows for quick repairing when needed. What we like. This replacement charging case boasts a large 550 mAh capacity, capable of charging your AirPods 1st-2nd Gen over 5 times. It supports both wireless and wired charging for ultimate convenience and includes a Bluetooth pairing sync button. If you've lost or damaged your original case and need a cost-effective, feature-rich replacement, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It paired with his AirPods instantly with no issues at all. The look and feel are just like the original Apple-branded case, and the quality is excellent. It charges perfectly and works exactly as expected. The Bluetooth pairing was simple, and the sync button made it quick to reconnect. The case is lightweight but feels durable. It fits my AirPods 4 perfectly and restores full functionality. My pods charge super fast now. The connectivity time is also less and easier while traveling, which I do often. The wireless charging capability is so nice for traveling. This charge lasts a very long time, almost 2 days. Number 2. Apple Wireless Charging Case for AirPods. Charging your AirPods is now as simple as placing them in the case and setting it on a Qi-compatible mat. It's a seamless experience designed for your convenience. A clear LED indicator on the front lets you know instantly when your AirPods are charging. No more guessing, just a quick visual confirmation. Away from a charging mat? No problem. You can easily charge it using the built-in lightning port. Power is always within reach. This case is designed to work with both AirPods 1st and 2nd generation. Enjoy the convenience regardless of which model you have. Keep your AirPods powered up throughout the day. The case holds multiple charges, ensuring your audio experience is never interrupted. What we like. This case offers the convenience of Qi wireless charging, with a clear LED indicator to show charging status. It also includes a lightning port for traditional charging when needed. If you already own AirPods, 1st or 2nd Gen, and want to upgrade to wireless charging without buying new earbuds, this is the official and most seamless way to do it. What people say. The charging case is compact and fits easily into a pocket. The AirPods connect seamlessly to Apple devices, and switching between them is effortless. Battery life is impressive, providing several hours of listening time on a single charge, and the case offers multiple additional charges. Number 1. Apple iPad Air 2, renewed. Experience the power and performance of a like-new Apple iPad Air 2. This device has been meticulously inspected and restored to full working order by qualified suppliers. It looks and works like new, thanks to a comprehensive diagnostic test and replacement of any defective parts. You can trust its quality and reliability. Powered by the A8X chip with 64-bit architecture and the M8 motion coprocessor, it delivers exceptional speed for all your tasks. Immerse yourself in the vibrant 9.7-inch Retina display with a crisp 2048 by 1536 resolution. Enjoy your content like never before. Capture stunning photos with the 8MP iSight camera and enjoy clear video calls with the FaceTime HD camera. Stay connected on the go with Wi-Fi. With up to 10 hours of battery life, you can work, play, and stay entertained throughout the day without needing to recharge. This renewed iPad comes with a minimum 90-day supplier-backed warranty, ensuring your peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This renewed iPad Air 2 features a powerful A8X chip and a stunning 9.7-inch Retina display, offering smooth performance for everyday tasks. With up to 10 hours of battery life, it's perfect for on-the-go use. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable tablet for browsing, media consumption, and light productivity, this renewed iPad Air 2 is a great value. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several hours on a single charge. The sound quality is crisp and clear, with good bass response. The charging case is compact and fits easily in a pocket. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.